guys, so today we're back with another video and we're here and we're here with Riri. We're here with Riri. Say hi.
What's up, yo?
Why'd you sound like
What's up, big girls?
Why'd you sound like a boy? Oh nah.
Yeah. Come here, baby.
Oh nah! Wait, hold on.
Roar.
You're not okay.
Girl.
You're not okay.
Never mind. We're just gonna.
I don't feel safe with you, bro.
Yeah, just,
Oh, that's an ice cream.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
My body is not dropping to the floor today. Oh, don't tell me I'm the only person. Okay, no.
She's a kettle. Oh my god, it's a
Girl, if you don't move your ratchet self anymore. Guys, I just came back and I heard her saying Summer is a big fat gyat or whatever.
No.
Yes.
No, guys,
Yes.
just. Oh my god, look, it's Duolingo.
Wait. We'll use the power of friendship.
Hold on.
Why can't we do it?
Okay, wait. Whoa. What you looking at, bro? Alright,
We'll use the power of friendship.
We're never kissing each other. Sending a sunny hello.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Alright, ready?
We'll use the power of
Excuse me. Nay. Girl, what you looking at? Look at your big old eyes. They're not blue as hell. Bro, you literally have a pretzel on your back.
Oh my god.
Oh, it looks like you're like Groot. Will you? Oh my god. Imagine if I get murdered.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Way to ruin the mood. Anyways.
Alright, let's go in the. Okay, ready? We'll use the power of friendship.
Oh my god.
You just got.
My body. This is
You just got.
my body. Oh,
And it did like get into it, yeah. Bro, stop kissing me.
we'll use the power of friendship.
On, like this Friday, I saw ants kissing each other.
Don't ever tell me that ever again. We keep this children friendly.
You mean family friendly?
Children friendly, whatever you say.
Oh. But anyways, on with my story. They're like. I know who definitely is the murderer.
No, you don't.
I definitely
No, you
know
don't.
who's the
No, you
murderer.
don't. No, you don't.
Yes, I do. And the person and behind me is the sheriff. So.
I'm not the murderer.
You did it, bro. She killed 2 people. How is that even possible?
Eeny, meeny, miny. Why did your body slide to the floor like Why did your body slide to the floor like
Like you have no yeah.
Bro, why would you say that?
Hey guys, do you want to hear some music?
No one wants to hear no music. Please don't.
Want to hear this music? Right, I'll show you some
Please don't do that.
I don't know if it's loud enough, but
I just killed.
can you hear it?
Yeah, I could hear it. Trust me. Turn it off.
You're shaking it.
Bro.
Get into it, yeah.
No, don't.
Can I sing a song? Can I wait, I'm hosting a concert right now, okay? It's free, okay? For whoever is watching, you get like 30 cents for watching this, but
30 cents.
hold on, shut your mouth. I'm speaking, I'm talking, I'm about to sing, so wash your bum bum, wash your bum bum, wash the dirt away.
Oh my god.
Wash the dirt away. If your bum bum's squeaky clean, there's no towel to be seen. You can always shake it, 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 boom, boom, boom.
This is gonna be an 8-minute video.
Next song is
I knew that was a jail.
right there. Anyways, Drake, go away. Go home. One more song.
No, you lost your privileges.
Okay, one more song.
No, you don't get one more song. Bro.
You're gonna cut that part out?
Yeah, I'm cutting that part out.
Wow,
Stop it. What?
Where are you?
I'm upstairs. All the.
Yum yum.
No. Break them kneecaps. Break them ankles. Oh my, whatever you call it. Oh, you big fat gorilla. This gorilla wanted to get into my way. You blue pumpkin pie. You blueberry pumpkin pie. I'ma cook you. That's why you're laying dead on the floor. This is an intense battle, you could say.
Where are they?
They're in the thing.
What thing?
The movie theater.
Oh my god, I'm lagging so much.
The sheriff's in the movie theater.
Whoop whoop. Oh my god, bro. Boom boom god. Here.
No, it's just the sheriff. Oh my god.
You stupid bigot! I'm gonna target you! Oh, you don't do that to me! Oh yeah, you think you're all buddy? Oh, you think you're so good? Well, guess what? You're getting targeted, huh? Yeah. You're only level 72, that's trash! You're trash at the game! Stop it! You're not buddy! You're trash! You literally had to run away from me like a million zillion times! Don't think you can go. You're literally so trash. Look at you. You're such a bigot.
I think I'm gonna just leave the video to her, guys.
Nothing dumpster garbage can you booby cookie. Can't even get a boyfriend and you can't even move.
Calm down.
I can't go. You have the gun?
No.
F you. You bacon.
Just watch this, guys, while I die on the floor. But let's just say Riri had a rage out.
Yeah, I'm sure if I'm killing that bitch.
What?
I'm sure if I'm gonna kill that bitch.
She's not even. We're not even in the same server.
No, I'm still in the same server.
Oh, we're in the same server. Oh, I just not realized that. Never mind. Rainy's totally not stupid.
Bro, you literally joined me.
Let's not talk about that. English or Spanish?
Chinese.
What? Said I killed you. I thought they said I liked you.
No, why did I think that too?
Like a person, but why? 'Cause I ain't never babysitting. I've been lining up shots.
Get off of me. I don't want you following me. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Shoot him. Put out that Glock.
How do you get a cookie?
I just had it.
Lucky guess. Oh my god! Come here right now. So sauce, really sauce, bad sauce.
If Riri rages one more time, bro, we gotta end this video, cause you're gonna cause an explosion.
Server hop, cause this.
Bro, you keep server hopping. No, we're staying in here.
Nope, I'm server hopping. Bye, guys.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be, anyways. We're gonna join a different server after. Okay, no stab, no glitching, no speed glitching or whatever. Yeah. And let's see what you get. A murderer. Yep, I'm a murderer.
I'ma die real quick, dog.
Yo, what's up?
Break them ankles.
Yo, what's up? Okay, that one don't.
Where you go, I go. What
Where you go, I go. Okay, so if you follow me, you just come here, just grill your butt.
Oh no, I ain't doing that.
Yeah.
Please don't touch me, please.
Don't touch it.
Bro, I'm never doing that ever again. I
got jump scared.
I didn't even have my dang knife out.
Alright, let's get back to show you some Scooby Ohio.
Don't do that. Means no, Riri. No means no, Riri.
Riri and Riria.
Riri.
Ariaya.
Ariaya.
Yaya.
Owa.
Oh my god. Look at that fat.
Don't even stop.
Oh shoot. Oh! How did that not kill you?
Bro, why'd you throw it there when I'm over here?
Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Wait.